Time is a constant presence in our lives. We measure it, chase it, and are ruled by it. But what exactly is time? Is it a fundamental aspect of the universe, or is it a human construct? While the universe exists in a constant state of flux, time, as we perceive it, is a uniquely human invention. We use it to make sense of the world around us, to organize our lives, and to understand our place in the grand scheme of things. From the moment we wake up to the moment we go to sleep, our lives are governed by the clock. We schedule appointments, plan our days, and measure our progress, all based on this intangible concept. But the way we experience and measure time is not universal. Different cultures throughout history have had vastly different ways of understanding and tracking time. Before the invention of clocks and calendars, humans relied on the natural world to tell time. The most obvious and readily available timekeeper was the sun. The sun's movement across the sky provided a basic framework for the day. People could tell it was morning when the sun rose and evening when the sun set. This natural cycle of day and night formed the basis for the first units of time. Early humans divided the day into rough segments based on the position of the sun in the sky. As human civilization progressed, so too did our methods of timekeeping. The need for more precise time measurements led to the development of simple devices like sundials and water clocks. Sundials, some of the earliest timekeeping devices, used the sun's position to cast a shadow on a marked surface. The position of the shadow indicated the time. Water clocks, another ingenious invention, measured time by the steady flow of water. Water would drip from one container to another, and markings on the containers indicated the passage of time. These early timekeeping devices were rudimentary by modern standards. However, they represented a significant leap forward in humanity's ability to measure and track time. Different civilizations developed unique methods for measuring and interpreting time. The ancient Egyptians, known for their advanced knowledge of astronomy, were among the first to develop a sophisticated system for tracking time. They divided the day into 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness, using sundials and water clocks to measure the passage of time. The Egyptians also developed a calendar based on the cycles of the moon and the star Sirius. The ancient Greeks, with their emphasis on philosophy and mathematics, made significant contributions to the understanding of time. They developed complex astronomical models to explain the movements of the celestial bodies, and their calendars were based on the cycles of the moon. The Chinese, renowned for their inventions and technological advancements, developed intricate timekeeping devices, including incense clocks and elaborate water clocks. Their calendar, based on a combination of lunar and solar cycles, is one of the oldest and most complex calendar systems in the world. Section 5. The imperfect clocks of the past. While ingenious, these early timekeeping methods had limitations. Sundials were useless at night and on cloudy days, and their accuracy varied depending on the season and location. Water clocks, while more reliable than sundials, required constant monitoring and refilling. Their accuracy was also affected by factors like temperature and water pressure. Despite these limitations, these early timekeeping devices represented a remarkable feat of human ingenuity. They served as the foundation for the development of more accurate and sophisticated timekeeping methods. Section 6. The pendulum and the pocket watch. Timekeeping advances. The invention of the mechanical clock in the 14th century marked a significant turning point in the history of timekeeping. These early clocks used a system of gears and weights to regulate the movement of a pointer on a dial. The invention of the pendulum in the 17th century further revolutionized timekeeping. Pendulum clocks, which used the regular swing of a pendulum to regulate timekeeping, were far more accurate than previous mechanical clocks. The development of the spring-powered clock in the 16th century led to the creation of smaller, more portable timepieces like pocket watches. These technological advancements made accurate timekeeping more accessible to the average person. Section 7. Atomic clocks, the pinnacle of precision. The 20th century saw the development of the most accurate timekeeping devices ever created, atomic clocks. These remarkable instruments measure time based on the vibrations of atoms, which are incredibly consistent. Atomic clocks are so accurate that they would only lose or gain a second every few million years. They are used in a wide range of applications, including scientific research, navigation, and global communication networks. The development of atomic clocks represents the pinnacle of human achievement in timekeeping. These incredible instruments allow us to measure time with unprecedented precision. Section 8. Time in the cosmos, relativity and beyond. While our understanding of time has come a long way since the days of sundials and water clocks, time still holds many mysteries. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, for example, showed that time is not absolute but is relative to the observer's frame of reference. Time can be affected by gravity and velocity, meaning that time passes differently for objects moving at different speeds or experiencing different gravitational forces. This mind-bending concept has profound implications for our understanding of the universe. As we delve deeper into the realms of quantum mechanics and cosmology, our understanding of time continues to evolve. Time may not be a simple, linear progression as we experience it in our everyday lives, but a far more complex and enigmatic aspect of the cosmos. Section 9. The enduring mystery of time. Time, the relentless and enigmatic force that governs our lives, continues to fascinate and perplex us. From our earliest attempts to track time using the sun and stars to the development of atomic clocks that measure time with astonishing precision, humanity has been on a relentless quest to understand this fundamental aspect of our existence. While we have made remarkable strides in our ability to measure and manipulate time, the true nature of time remains a profound mystery. Is time a fundamental property of the universe, or is it merely a human construct? Is time a river flowing in one direction, or can we turn back the clock? These are just some of the questions that continue to intrigue scientists, philosophers, and dreamers alike. As we continue to explore the universe and unlock its secrets, our understanding of time will undoubtedly continue to evolve, revealing new wonders and deepening the mystery of this elusive dimension.